Another is the psychological niche. If you think the psychological niche applies to things like the way the consumers think, their values, their interests, their behaviors, right? So if you look at in terms of psychological niche, I am a digital native. What that means is that I belong to a school of thought where the whole thing about having a physical office and something, if you're in my line of business, doesn't make any sense. Why do you want to target a particular location when the internet allows you to target the whole world? So as far back as 2014, I made a 100% digital transition, moved everything online, and my market essentially is not restricted to Lagos or Nigeria. I'm targeting everybody who has access to the internet. That's the way I think. So when somebody calls me and says, I want to come to your office, I work from anywhere I want to. It's very flexible for me. So I don't think like that. But there are people who are like, okay, I have to come to, if I don't see your office, then that means you're not serious. So if you are targeting digital natives, the way you target a digital native will be different from the way you target somebody who thinks the opposite of a digital native. So the psychographic niche targets the lifestyle and the personality of the kind of person the kind of consumers you're targeting. Imagine you're into lifestyle and you sell perfumes, right? There are people I know who have like perfume collections. Like my brother is one of them. He has perfume collections. I'm not like that. I'm more functional in terms of perfumes. I can just have one perfume bottle and I use it for a whole year. I'm not a collector. For me, perfumes they just do their job. They have their utility. I just use them. Finish. I don't have like different. There are people who have. I remember when my brother was explaining it to me. He says there's a type you use maybe like in the evenings or something. And I don't know all those things. I'm not interested in it, right? But there are people like that. There are people like who are particular about those kinds of things. Even like for wristwatches, some people have collections, and now everybody has their own thing, right? But if you understand the psychographic nature of a perfume collector, of a watch collector, somebody who is big on fashion, if you understand the psychographic, it will change everything. You will know how to price, you know how to charge them, you know the kind of offers to make them because you know how they think, right? For me, the psychography I target is the small business owner, the independent business owner, small business owner, who is just trying to help their business grow and survive. So every single day, that is because I'm also that kind of person, but that is the highest proportion of my customers. So I'm always trying to get into their minds and what problems are they going through? Even the course, even the topic I'm teaching you comes from all of that psychograph. What challenges are they having? And every time I'm asking questions, so you're getting into the mindset of your customer so that you are serving them something that is very, very relevant to them, that will be difficult for them to find outside. Outside, if you wanted to do business courses, you might just do how to sell, how to get more customers. That's the generic one. How to be better at marketing with AI. Those are the generic ones. For me, I'm interested in the psychography of the consumer. What are they going through? So this course, you can imagine, is a medley of sales and how to develop competitive advantage. I can do that as two separate courses, but it's going to seem academic. Because for somebody who is building a business, they are not just selling for selling sake. They are selling within a context. And many times that context is a competitive market. My market is difficult and competitive. How do I sell? So you come up with that kind of course. So you have to understand how your target customer thinks, what they are struggling with, what they believe, right? If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, join thebmg.com.